Hey everybody, Cole here again. In this video, I'm just going to explain to you how to use the tool Google Slides. It is a very easy tool to use in the classroom, and it will help with many different student projects. And with the new era in technology, kids don't need to be in the same room in order to do a project. So Google Slides and Google Docs are great tech tools that can be used in order to complete a project. Now, when it comes to making a PowerPoint, it's pretty difficult to make a PowerPoint if kids are at home and they can't be in a classroom full of computers. So Google Slides is a great application for that. I'm going to explain to you just a couple of the little ways that Google Slides makes it a lot easier. If you know how to use PowerPoint, it's set up just like PowerPoint, just like Google Docs is set up like Microsoft Word. They're pretty easy, as you can tell. Make your first slide, and back to what I said in the other video, when you want to share it, you just need to, let's just say presentation. You want to share, you just type in the email right here, and the members in your group or the members in the students group will get the email and they will be able to access this. I'm just going to type in my other email, share with that. And it's as easy as that. And if you want to, let's say, add a slide, you can just hit plus, plus, plus. If you want to go back to a slide, you can just click back on that. There's many different things, just like on PowerPoint, that can help you. You could add transitions to each slide or each individual thing you add on to the PowerPoint, so it's pretty easy to use. If you know the basic idea of PowerPoint, you'll be able to use Google Slides, and it's pretty effective in the classroom, just like Google Docs is. So kids can be at home and work on a project rather than be in a classroom setting, because a lot of the classrooms don't have computers, and it's hard to access a computer. So when they do it at home, they'll have to spread everything through an email, but Google Slides and Google Docs makes it a lot easier. You don't need to email. It's not necessary. So basically that's how I would use it in a classroom. It's all through presentation and group projects. It's not really effective in a solo manner other than sharing the actual document with the teacher. Both of these applications are very useful in a classroom, though, from, I'd say, 3rd grade up, when kids are actually sending in documents on the computer.